Hallo, herzlich willkommen zu meinem deutschen Klasse. That means welcome to my German class. Das Thema für heute ist Wochentag und Monate. Wochentag und Monate. That means the topic for today is days of the week, Wochentag und Monate, months. Okay, so we have 7 days of the week. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'll be teaching you how to pronounce them, and this is the correct spelling for the days of the week. So for Monday, it's Montag, Montag, and this is the article, okay? There is the article for each day of the week. So der Montag, der Dienstag, der Dienstag, not Dienstag, Dienstag, der Mittwoch, der Donnerstag, der Freitag, der Samstag und der Sonntag. Weekends, we call them Wochenende, okay? Der Wochenende, weekends. So let's go through it again for the last time. Monday ist Montag, Tuesday ist Dienstag, Wednesday ist Mittwoch, Thursday ist Donnerstag, Friday ist Freitag, Freitag, Saturday ist Samstag und Sunday ist Sonntag, okay? Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Donnerstag. Those are the days of the week, and their article is der Montag, der Mittwoch, okay? Hope you've understood that. Next, you're moving to Monate. Monate is months, the months of the year. So we'll start with January. We say Januar, Januar. February is Februar, Februar, okay? March is März, März, okay? April is April, April. May is Mai, Mai. June is Juni, July is Juli. June is Juni, July is Juni, August is August, August is August, September is September, September, October is October, October, November is November, December is December. Let's go through it again, but this time in the German way. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, Oktober, November und Dezember. So that is what we want to learn today, the days of the week and the months. Hope this short video helps you to know the days of the week and the days of the month. That was all for today. Tschüss, meaning bye.